welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Daniel Jacob. Hope you are enjoying our videos. Today I have come with a simple paper craft. It is how to make a very simple jumping paper frog. For this we will need only one A4 sheet paper and sketch pen. Now we have to fold the paper like this. With the excess part, we should fold it like this. Now we have to cut this part. Now we have to fold this paper like this. Now we have to fold the paper like this. Now we have to fold it the other side also. Now we have to do the same to this side. Now we have to take one side and fold it like this. We have to repeat this step on the other side also. Now we have to take this side and fold it to the top corner like this. We have to repeat this step on the other side too. We have to do this on the other side also. Now we have to take this part and fold it like this. We have to do this to the other side also. It should be like this. Now we have to turn it like this and fold this part like this. Now we have to take this corner and fold it like this. We have to repeat this step on the other side also. Now we have to take this part and lock it inside this part in this space. It should be like this. Now we have to fold the frog like this and then fold it again like this on the opposite direction. Now we have to make the eyes for the frog. Now our paper jumping frog is ready. So let's test it now. It is jumping very well. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.